Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm David Young, and in this video I'm going to be doing an off-road test of my new Ford F450 work truck. Last video I went and recovered a truck that was stuck in the mud. Go check that out if you haven't. And it did a good job, but I want to see how far I can push it. So I've fixed it up fully, and we're now going to get going. So I have a destination in mind. I'm going to head around the front, and a few doors down there's that house that has the little gate into the off-road area behind these houses. Alright, so I've fully locked it to low 4-wheel drive, and now we're just going to see how far we can take the vehicle. Oh, bottomed out. Oh no. That didn't go too bad, but oh no. Oh no. I didn't see the branch there. Let's go around that branch. That'll be useful. Up this. Try to do some high. Okay, it doesn't want to do much. I thought that might have been a bit ambitious, alright. This is doing quite well, actually. Oh my goodness. It is not struggling. This might have been a bit easy. Oh. Alright. I know we're going to take it now. I'm going to take it to sort of the area where we recovered the F150 last video, but instead of going right and down, we're first going to go straight ahead, so through here. Right, first low, and let's see how this goes. I'm going to put that up so we can see the angle the vehicle's on. Oh. I'm surprised I didn't roll it there. Okay. It didn't struggle through that. Let's see if we can get up here. Okay. And try to go straight up there. Oh. Not a problem. This is not struggling at all. Second gear to here, I reckon. Oh no. Panel damage. Oh my goodness. Reverse out. Okay, we need a different line, that's for sure. I reckon if I go along this edge, along the rock. Yeah. Okay, that works. It's doing quite well, to be honest. Where can we take it to do the challenge? I reckon we'll go through here. Then we might go back to where we recovered the F150. Because that's some serious mud up there. There's no mud around here. Oh my, okay, I need to calm down a bit. How much damage is that? Oh my goodness, 308. I've hardly even been anywhere. I'm going to calm down a bit. Alright, let's find some obstacles. Up these steps. Yep, easy. I'll put it on high. At first. After I said I'd calm down. Anyway. through here. Oh, a bridge. Not fall off. Oh. Which way do we go from here? I think we'll go straight ahead. Let's do that right turn we saw. This isn't too challenging. Well, I was just doing quite a high speed, so obviously it's not challenging. Do that. Alright, high through the mud. Oh! No! Which way do we go? Might launch the drone. Try and decide if we go straight ahead or right. Oh, they both go the same way. How do we get up to that bridge there? Do we go up here? Alright, I might go the long way around to there. Okay, reverse it back out. This. And through here. Oh. Might put it on too late. Oh no. I meant to put low instead of shifting. Oh. Oh my, no. Okay, off this. Now I'm gonna look at what's just there. That was a hit on the angle. Well, that'll work. That gets you up to there. Yeah, I might go up this and try to go down. Oh, I was just looking at. Right. Oh, no. Doesn't want to do that. Oops. Alright. This is doing. Oh. I was about to say this is actually doing really well, and then that happened. No. Maybe I have to go up the side. On the rocks, yeah, I can go well. Oh no. No, that doesn't work. I'm gonna reverse up a bit more. Stop. Oh. No. Oh, well, I've butchered that up. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna get it this time. Else I'm gonna winch so we can carry on around. Okay, actually, do you know what? I'm gonna repair it. That should do the trick. Hopefully. Okay, let's go. So let me put the camera up. Oh yeah, is it? Oh no. Wait. Oh. Oh, what am I doing wrong? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try go up this. Then I'm gonna make the top of it go right. Oh. Why didn't I try that in the first place? Oh my. Okay. Alright, well. That was a bit of a challenge. But I think I would have made it first try if I'd had a better approach angle. What sort of front bars this got? Oh. Maybe it's just the approach angle of the truck. I could take off the bar, but that leaves it unprotected. Oh my goodness, there's a grave there. Oh, someone's, oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to head through here. I'll put it into high. High first. Second. Do some speeding. Oh my. Okay. Let's go up through here. Okay, what I might do is head back down and go to that place where we rescued the F450 last time. Because that's got a lot more mud than this has. And this has a lot, so. Oh no. No, that wasn't supposed to happen. Alright, low first, up this. Yep, oh my. Okay, that definitely works. No. Oh. I reckon I can go quickly. Okay, well, I have smashed up the truck, but... Okay, now I'm going to go back to driving a bit more realistically. Was this really? Oh my, it is. All the tire tracks are still there. We really churned up this area. That's for sure. I might go up this side. Up, 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 up. Alright. I can approach it in second gear. Get up this, get up this. Second. Ooh. Oh no, now we're back up here. I did not want to go back up here. Do you know what I'm going to do? Okay. 3, 2, 4. See if I can land a jump going off this. 3, 2, 5. Only $1 worth of damage going off that. I am not saying that's bad. Oh. Ah. Here's the test. I was about... Oh, this is deep. I was a bit worried about driving the F-150 off this edge yesterday. Let's see if I can drive up it in this. Oh. Well, I honestly didn't expect to be able to drive up it, so... That's pretty good. It's the same map as last time, obviously. Twin Rivers Lake. Great map. Guess anyone was wondering. Right. No? Okay. Taking on to here. Okay, that wasn't much of a picking line if I didn't want to do panel damage, but... What's down here? Alright, what's that side? Oh, it's up the side. Maybe we should try... Oh, maybe we should try going up there. That might be interesting. And then, I think we'll drive back down and go up this. And then back home. Oh. Okay, that didn't struggle much. I expected that to struggle up there, but it didn't. It was a good truck, actually. Gonna go and say that. Oh, no, that was not the reverse. Oh, I hope I didn't swipe the tree. Oh, but I crashed into it either way. Down here. Okay, across this bridge. Oh my goodness, this is interesting, to say the least. Oh my. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, what am I gonna do here? Up this. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh my. Oh my, everything's going wrong at once. Oh goodness. I got out of the last tricky spot, and I think I can probably get out of this one. Up this. Up this. Oh, through the middle. Yes. Yes. Yes, now I'm just on these logs. They aren't impossible to get over. They aren't too difficult to get over, if I'm going to be honest. Oh. Oh, there's another path. I might check that out next time. See if I can make it over this. Under, over, through, whatever. Alright. Well, if I'm allowed to say it, this is more than just a work truck, I dare say. It's done a great job. So, yeah, I don't know what else there is to say about it. I am very impressed and blown away by its ability. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.